Hi Year 5, this week's math challenge is all about polygons. Poly means many. So your first challenge, can you name all of these shapes? I'm going to disappear now and I will come back later. So the first one is a triangle, and this one looks like an equilateral triangle, which means that it has all angles the same and all its sides are the same length. Now, there are other types of triangle that we will talk about later. This one here is a hexagon. All six-sided shapes are hexagons. This one is irregular because its angles are not all the same and it has got two longer length sides. This one is a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. That means that it has four sides. This is a rectangle. Did you know that a square is a type of rectangle? A square is a regular quadrilateral. And this is a rhombus. Now, did you know that a square is also a type of rhombus? So this is your next task, to sort these shapes. So think about how you would sort these shapes into two groups. Are you looking at the number of sides? Are you looking at the shapes, the sort of sides? And this is one way that I've done it. They're polygons and not polygons, because a polygon's sides are always straight. So if you've got a curved side, it's not a polygon. Here we have some more shapes to sort out and have a think about what types of shapes they are and how you would sort them into two groups. And here is a way that I've done it. And again, I've got polygons and not polygons. Now, what is it about those not polygons that's all the same that makes them not polygons? Well, if a shape is two-dimensional, it could be a polygon. And if it's three-dimensional, it can't. Now, all of these are polygons because they are two-dimensional. But it does say that a polygon is a 2D shape with straight sides, so I wouldn't put a circle there. So can you explain why these are not polygons? First of all, we've got a straight line. Now think about that definition of a polygon. It is a two-dimensional shape with straight sides. Now it does have straight sides, but it's not two-dimensional. A line is one-dimensional. So that's the same for this one. Those ends don't join up, so that cannot be a polygon. It's still a one-dimensional shape. So have a go at this one. What is it about this one that makes it not a polygon? It has one straight side and the other side is curved, so it cannot be a polygon. That is a semicircle. So now we're going to talk about regular and irregular polygons. All of these two-dimensional shapes with straight sides are all polygons, but some of them are regular and some of them are not regular or irregular. Here we'll take the example of triangles. A regular triangle is called an equilateral triangle. It has all sides the same length and each angle is 60 degrees. Now, an isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle, they have some sides or some angles that are not the same as the others, so they are not regular. Now, for both an isosceles triangle and a scalene triangle, it is possible to have a right-angled triangle, but that is not true with an equilateral triangle, which each angle must be 60 degrees. Here we have the same for quadrilaterals. That's four-sided shapes. And a regular quadrilateral is a square. All the sides are the same length and each angle is 90 degrees. All of these other four-sided shapes are irregular. A rectangle, a rhombus, a trapezium, a kite, a parallelogram, or any other four-sided shape that has straight sides. Now have a go at these statements and work out if they are always, sometimes, or never true. First one, a regular polygon has equal sides but not equal angles. That one is never true. If it is regular, it must have equal sides and equal angles. Number two, a triangle is a regular polygon. That one is sometimes true. We know an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. A rhombus is a regular polygon. Now that is also sometimes true. In most cases, rhombuses have angles that are not equal. They have two bigger than the other two. But a square is also a polygon, and that one has 4 equal angles. The number of angles is the same as the number of sides in any polygon. Think about a triangle, a rectangle, a hexagon, a pentagon. It is always true. A triangle has 3 angles and 3 sides. A pentagon always has 5 sides and 5 angles. Hi, so this is a challenge that you can find on the work that will be sent home or that will be available online. You can also find it on Seesaw. One polygon in each set is regular, but just one, and you need to tick the regular polygon. And then I want you to think, how did you know which one was regular without measuring? And one last challenge. I'm going to give you 2 minutes for this. How many regular and irregular polygons can you find in this picture? And what I want you to do is to pause the video and see how many you can get.